Can you believe it? This man bought 20 tons of old plastic products at a low price and, with some simple processing, turned them into a profit of $1 million. How did he do it? First, he crushed the old plastic into pieces using a shredder. Then, he washed the plastic fragments in a pool. Lacking advanced cleaning equipment, he had to stir and wash by hand. Next, he transferred the washed pieces to the rooftop to dry, removing any moisture. He collected the dry plastic fragments and put them into a mixer. During the mixing process, he heated the pieces with fire to soften and meld them together. Then, he fed the heated fragments into an extruder. After melting, the plastic flowed out of the outlet into another extruder, where it was pressed into long plastic ropes. These ropes were quickly cooled in a water pool and then cut into uniform plastic pellets by a cutting machine. He placed these pellets into an injection molding machine, where they were transformed into exquisite plastic frames. I must say, he truly turned waste into treasure.